Hi, how are you doing? I'm Young Guru. I've been an engineer in the music business for over 20 years. I've worked with a lot of different people in the R&B and hip hop world. Some people have this idea that I do all of my work in a professional studio, but I'm here to tell you different. Some of the projects that I've put out recently, most of them have been done in my own home personal studio. And yes, I have recorded Jay-Z in this exact same setup that we're going to do today. We're going to give you enough information so that you can release commercially viable music straight from your bedroom. Today I'm in Brooklyn, in a place that I've never been before, and I wanted to walk in fresh just to show you guys how easy it is to set up your room and to deal with some of the common problems that happen when recording in a bedroom. Now, my hope for this class is that the students walk away having a greater understanding of how to rearrange your room so that acoustically you can get the best sound. This class is equally viable for artists, musicians, and engineers. The tricks that we give you will help you to make better recordings and to help you come out with a better final product. Take the class, upload your projects. Nothing is better than Young Guru and Skillshare.